Go get it. Go get it, Brina. Brina. Woo. They were just running and playing chase. Damn. I love my shepherds. She's a shepherd lab mix. I actually think it was a Malin wild lab mix to be true. Because she's slender. I mean, you can see her ribs. She's older. No, easy. Easy with her legs like that. Her joints. Oop, you're good. Yeah, but just be easy with their joint areas. There they go. If you pick her up like that, just pick her up with her belly. Use her belly. You're fine. I just seen your arms like on the legs, like you were using her legs to balance out. It's fine. Just be easy with it. So I just yiped, but I was good. I just laid there. And then I chased my cousin, or sister. I don't know. I don't know what to call y'all. Midge! Sit! Sit! Good girl. Okay, break.